Are you looking for fast, affordable, and reliable web hosting? Today, I'm breaking down Hostinger, one of the most popular hosting companies out there. In this Hostinger review, I'll cover the pros, cons, pricing, performance, and whether Hostinger is the right fit for you. Stick around because by the end, you'll know if this is the host you should build your website with. I'll provide a link in the description below to Hostinger, where you'll get a Hostinger discount. Make sure you copy the Hostinger promo code I've included next to the link in the description that saves you more money on your Hostinger hosting purchase. Plus, you get a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, may not receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Hostinger discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit Hostinger. Hostinger has been around since 2004 and now serves over 9.5 million websites worldwide. They built a reputation on affordable prices and surprisingly strong performance for the cost, but price isn't everything. We'll also look at speed, uptime, support, and features. One of Hostinger's biggest selling points is affordability. Their shared hosting plans start as low as $2.99 per month if you sign up for a 48-month plan. You get it cheaper with the coupon code I provided. They have two main shared hosting plans, Premium and Business, plus the Cloud Startup plan for more resource-intensive needs. Premium web hosting plan starts at $2.99 a month. Use my coupon with the link for a discount. Host up to 25 websites, 25 gigabytes SSD storage, 2 mailboxes per website, weekly automatic backups, free domain and SSL, ideal for small websites or multiple projects at a budget-friendly price. Business web hosting plan, most popular, starts at $3.79 a month. Coupon with the link works here too. Comes with everything in the premium plan. Host up to 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage for faster speed, 5 mailboxes per website, free CDN for better global performance, and daily and on-demand backups. For most people, this is the sweet spot. It balances cost and resources. Cloud Startup plan starts at $7.99 a month, discount with link and promo code. Host up to 100 websites, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, 10 mailboxes per website, a power boost to handle peak traffic, and a unique IP address and 24/7 priority support. Best for resource-intensive sites or growing businesses. Terms and discounts. Cheapest pricing requires a 48-month term. Largest savings, also available 24 months, 12 months, and monthly terms. Annual terms include a free domain. Monthly term does not. For most users, the business plan is the sweet spot, giving the best balance of features, performance, and price. Now let's talk about performance. Hostinger runs on light-speed servers, which are optimized for WordPress. In my test, a fully functioning website loaded in under a second at 991 milliseconds with caching, which is excellent for shared hosting. They also boast a 99.9% uptime guarantee, meaning your site will stay online, and you can choose from multiple data centers across the US, Europe, Asia, and South America, so you can host your site closer to your audience. Here are some standout features Hostinger includes: free SSL certificate on all plans, WordPress optimized environment with one-click installs, custom control panel called hPanel that's beginner friendly, free domain name on annual terms, weekly or daily backups depending on your plan. One thing I really like is their hPanel. It's easier to use than traditional cPanel, especially for beginners. Everything is clean, modern, and simple to navigate. Security is another area where Hostinger does well. Every plan includes a free SSL certificate to keep data encrypted. You also get a built-in malware scanner, and on higher tier plans, it can automatically remove threats. DDoS protection comes standard through Cloudflare integration, and there's a web application firewall to block attacks like SQL injection or cross-site scripting. Your account is protected with two-factor authentication 2FA and free privacy protection. Hide your contact info in the Whois database to prevent spam. Finally, backups are weekly or daily depending on your plan, and restoring your site only takes a few clicks. Hostinger offers 24/7 live chat support. From my experience, response times are quick, though sometimes you may wait a few minutes during peak hours. Their knowledge base is also packed with tutorials if you prefer to troubleshoot yourself. Now let's run through the pros and cons. Pros: very affordable pricing with strong value, a 30-day money-back guarantee for risk-free testing, fast performance with light-speed servers, 99.9% uptime guarantee for reliability, beginner-friendly hPanel, easier than cPanel, free domain, first year, and free SSL on plans, AI-powered website builder for quick site creation, One-click WordPress WooCommerce installs, multiple global data centers to host closer to your audience, scalable plans, shared, VPS, cloud, AI assistant Cody to help manage hosting tasks, print-on-demand integration with e-commerce, 24/7 live chat support with tutorials and guides, recognized as a top hosting provider in 2025 by major reviewers. Cons: long-term contracts are needed for the best deals, bare bones resources on entry-level plans, storage, bandwidth, speed, no phone support, only chat and email, basic backup schedules on low tiers. Overall, the positives heavily outweigh the negatives. So is Hostinger worth it? If you want affordable, fast, and beginner-friendly hosting, Hostinger is definitely one of the best options out there, especially if you're just starting a blog, small business website, portfolio, or online store. If you're running a very high traffic site, you might eventually upgrade to VPS or cloud hosting, but for most people, shared hosting with Hostinger is more than enough. If you're ready to try Hostinger, I'll leave my link down in the description so you can grab the best discount available. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more web hosting reviews, and drop a comment if you tried Hostinger. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.